really don't know how to feel right now. Jaja, did you set me up? Jaja Hair, did you set the kid up with the bang-yang? The bang-yang! Oh.
No. Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Okay. She so bougie, on nepoty. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know that, you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the fam. It's fun over here, okay? It's fun over here. I promise you, okay? So I know I can't talk. So I know I look a little crazy right now. My face is breaking out. Do y'all see this pimple? Girl, who's stressing me out? We need to fight because I don't know what's going on my face, but something ain't right. But anyways, we look hella crazy, but we about to get that together. We about to get into some new hair, y'all, meaning we're about to get into a new sponsorship. Today's video is sponsored by JajaHair. Let me tell y'all about JajaHair, okay? JajaHair has a special place in my heart because they were the first company ever to sponsor your girl. What? So now we are back at it again with another video featuring JajaHair, okay? They are based on Amazon.com, meaning you can get fast shipping, y'all. This wig right here came in one day, not two. One day, sweetie. That's crazy, okay? So let's just open this box up and get into the hair. All of their information will be in the description box below, so make sure that you go check them out and get you some hair, okay? Not only do they have a special place in my heart because they were the first company to ever sponsor me, but their hair is really amazing. I'm gonna put in a clip somewhere on the screen of when I first wore their hair from them, and I really fell in love with the quality of not only the lace but also the texture of the hair, period. So right here we have all the information on the back of the box. This information also will be in the description box below, but you know, make sure you go follow their social medias. It's lit, okay? I don't know if y'all knew, but we're going for a different style today, something that I have not worn ever, okay? Ever. So I ain't gonna speak too much about it. I'm just gonna show y'all, okay? So we open it up. This is what the box and the packaging looks like. You have your wig right here. They also give you a wig cap too, I believe. And they also give you a card with some more information, front and back, okay? And shout out to Glow Princess. I love her, okay? I love her. She's lit. So let's see what this says. JajaHair, 100% human hair. Their Instagram is JajaHairBeauty. Their email and their WhatsApp is all on this card right here. And on the back it says, JajaHair, try to provide affordable and high quality hair with best service. Please kindly share your advice, which will enable us to improve our goods and service through email, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever you like, okay? And once again, all the information is on the card, so it is lit. And then on your wig bag, it has your wig length. I got 24 inches, you guys. Can y'all see? 24 inches. And I also got straights for my texture. So far you probably like 24 inches, girl, you've done that before. Straight texture, girl, you've done that before. What do you mean we going for a new look? So this is what I mean, you guys. I love how they give it to you in the what's it called, in a little lunch lady nets, okay? Get off my hand. And they also give you this little wrapper inside so your wig don't lose its shape. I love that. And you guys, I know y'all see what this is. It's a bang-yang. The bang-yang. Oh.
No, not the bang-yang. The bang-yang.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to be banged out. Oh my god, I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, so this hair feels real good. It's real soft. It smells like hair. You know how some people hair stink if it smells like fish or eggs or like just packaging, and then some people's stuff smells like nothing, and some people's stuff smell like hair. This smells like hair. This smells like hair, girl. One thing I will have to say is, off rip, looking at the wig, this wig has no lace at the top of it. It just has like that little knot. I was a little scared because I kind of wanted to be able to maybe pull it up and have like a bun. I'm gonna put a picture right here to show y'all. I thought I was gonna be able to do that, but I don't think I am, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to, because there's no lace. So if you look in the inside of the wig, let's check it out. Oh, first off, they gave me an elastic band. I love that, because sometimes wigs be trying to slip off. So it has an elastic band on the inside, and it also has the adjustable strap one in the back where you can clip. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. It has 4 clips inside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We love that. But yeah, I'm a little bummed out because I'm not gonna be able to do the little like bun bang situation. But so yeah, right now I'm feeling the hair, and I'm not sure what density this is, but if you was to go purchase this hair, you probably should get this wig in a higher density if you like thick hair. I love thick hair, so I would have wanted a little bit more thickness. But yeah, y'all, right now the bang, at least the bang don't look thick. Hopefully it's not thick when I put it on, because I hate a thick, ugly bang. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous, y'all. I've never worn a bang with a wig. But anyways, I'm about to go co-wash this hair because I want it to be really soft and silky, and maybe when I blow dry it or air dry it, it'll get a little thicker. And I'm probably gonna do a straight chop at the ends so it can appear to be thicker as well, cause she not that thick, you know, if we being honest. Y'all know I always keep it a buck in all my sponsorships, but I'm still super duper excited, and I know I'm just gonna be able to rock this, hopefully, because I've never worn a bang. But anyways, I'm about to go co-wash it. I'm gonna use the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner with Avocado by Aussie. This is currently my favorite conditioner ever. So I'm gonna go do that off camera, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to put it on. It should not take me long to install this, because literally all you gotta do is pop it on your head. So I'll be back, ladies and gentlemen, okay? I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I know I look crazy with this daggone stocking cap on. Matter of fact, where's my bonnet? Because I was playing around with the wig, y'all, and I'm nervous. Like, I'm not even going front. I'm nervous because I ain't never had no bang before. Y'all, I have to do my makeup first, or I know I'm not gonna feel it. I put it on and I was like, it came really low over my eyes too, y'all. I'm nervous, so I'm going to just listen to some music real quick and do my makeup, and then we're gonna get into the hair, okay? It's just me, myself, and more. I hate the way this song comes in. Like, what was that for? Was that really necessary? Homegirl, you need to pluck your eyebrows. Leaving, I'm leaving. Okay, you guys, so I'm done my makeup, and I know y'all have been waiting to see this daggone hair. So let's get into it. I co-washed the wig like I said I would, and I'm not even sure if it's fully dry yet. So let me brush her out because right now she's looking crazy, and I can't even find out where the bangs are. Like, this is not starting off on a good foot. But she's definitely more airy now that I've washed her, so that's good. Maybe it added to the thickness of it. Letting my flat iron heat up right now because I think all it's gonna take me to do is just straighten it. That's also another reason why, like, I added the makeup portion to this video so it wouldn't be too short, because this is a really simple wig. You literally just put it on and straighten it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to like thin out the bang or not, but I honestly think if I was to do anything with the bang, I probably would mess it up. Yeah, you guys, let's just go with it. Ooh. Let's just go with it, okay? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. And I was like, let me put on some really big blinks. Let me put on some big lashes because I don't want the hair and the bang to take over my whole face. Which way is you supposed to go home, girl? You guys, I can't see not a damn thing, okay? This bang, honey, she is really long. I can't see shit. I can't see squat diddly. So, and I have the wig on correctly. And it's like, if I try to pull her back, the wig looks weird. So, I may have to cut her. I really don't want to cut her, y'all. I really don't, because I'm not that good at cutting hair. But I also think I may have to thin her out a little bit. I don't want to do that either. I'm just scared, but you know, eventually I think we're going to get her together and we'll be fine. We'll be fine, okay? Because I need to calm myself down because right now I'm scared, but I did get a little bit of shedding. It's a new wig. It's bound to happen. I think I should flatten all of the hair out. I look like a fake ass. I think I should straighten the hair out before I cut it, because I also wanted to chop the ends off. This hair is really true to length, y'all. It's really long. It's giving more like 26 on me, honestly. This hair is hecka long. But this is a 24-inch wig. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna have to get this bang together because I refuse to be ugly. I refuse to be ugly. So I'm about to go in here and straighten the hair out because she is not straight right now whatsoever. And we just gonna have to fix her up because ain't no way I'm going outside like this. So back to the music I go.
I like them nasty, nasty. Yeah, people just know me. From the back ain't no running. From the side ain't no coming. Turn around, let them hit on my stomach. You know he's not about that life. Fuck that little nigga and I meant what I said. Come from the high game. I ride around with choppers in the coupe. I can feel it.
You can't say. Y'all, I just want y'all to know that I basically am over here flat ironing this wig blind. I'm doing it blind because I can't see.
Bitch, I can't see.
Bitch, snap out of it.
Bitch, I can't fucking see.
I can't see squat diddly, okay? I can't see. And I gotta get my hat comb real quick and plug her up because this little part right here, sweetheart, is not trying to stay down. I don't like that at all. I thought I was gonna be able to put this little baby on and go, but no, sweetie, she's calling for more work than I expected. But anyways, What I'm about to do now is cut the ends of the hair because that's the easy part, you know. Kind of still nervous about this bang situation, honey. Also, one thing I noticed about this hair is it is very airy and soft. That's good because it's high quality, you know, you feel me? But it's making flat ironing the hair a little bit more difficult. And that's kind of getting me tight. I kind of want it to be like right under the titty. You know, right under the titty. So this is how much I took off. Not much at all. But that hair had to go, sweetie. Yes, I like this so much better. That looks better. I don't think it's even, but you know. Oh wait. Ooh. It looks even enough to me. Free poo. Like, it's not even a bad bang at all. It's just that I can't see. That's the problem. So it's like it need to go right here. And I don't want to have to cut it, but I have to cut it because I can't see. There's no way that I can wear some hair and not be able to see. It's just not gonna work. The girl was nervous, okay? I'm trying to make this look as nice as possible, and I like when you can see some of your forehead throughout your bang, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want it to just be bang, blackness. Like, it should be, you know, like a little fringy, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm trying to do. What I did to make it shorter, because I refuse to cut this bang because I know I'm gonna mess it up. It's gonna be choppy and ugly, and then I'm not gonna want to wear the hair at all. And this is a sponsored video, so I can't back out. But I think what I'm gonna do is try to push some of the bang to the sides, and then like just feather this middle section out so you can see some of my forehead. You see, like, that's how I like things to look. I don't know, y'all. This is a lot, honey. This is a lot. This is a lot. Oh my gosh. It's not too bad. Okay, when I look at myself on Snapchat, on Insta story, it's not that bad. Like, I should tell a cute. This is actually a look. But like, it's probably just because of the filter and whatnot. Because when I look at myself in the mirror, I think it's just something that I may have to get used to. Maybe that's what it is. What y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Okay, y'all, so I think I'm satisfied now. It's just gonna take some getting used to. It's not like I'm ugly. I'm still a baddie, period. So that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick install, this whole makeup and hair transformation from JajaHair. Thank you so much, Jaja, for sponsoring this video. If y'all enjoy my new look, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are on the road to 50K subscribers, if you don't know. So if you have yet to subscribe, please join the fam. I promise you will have fun over here, okay? Period. Even though I was stressed out throughout most of this video, you know, you gonna have fun over here, okay? So without further ado, that wraps up this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one, okay? Bye, mamas.
I know them all the guys, they've been talking about the way I do it, why you. They heard I was good.